evening from Tunis, Tunisia. So I'm going to eat something food, Tunisian food, like Nani. I will eat the best restaurant in Tunis. So it's called Diet Chat restaurant, the best restaurant in Tunisia. So it is inside within of Tunis, the oldest neighborhood in Tunis. So let's see. Yeah, we came to the best restaurant, Diet Chat restaurant. The tourists came here. It opens 7:30 p.m. It was closed until 7:30. So they told me the reservation, I didn't make reservation. So I told them check inside if there is one available tables. So I'm waiting right now. So they told me there is no any available tables for one person. So I came to another hotel and spa. It's another style chat restaurant. It's hotel. It's another place. It's same name. There is rooftop. So I came to a rooftop. So let's see.
Non scegli scuola, non scegli ville, non scegli famiglia, niente. È molto
So let's see.
No, non mi piace, no. Però stiamo definendo, c'è tutta un'altra roba burocrazia da fare, vaccinazioni, visti.
I'm going to try fish food. Tunisia is the most expensive restaurant in Tunisia, and the view is nice from hotel rooftop. This is the best hotel and restaurant. And my food has arrived. I'm going to eat sea bass for fish. Let's try it. Mediterranean food in Tunisia. So what's just next now from hotel restaurants? I paid $20 fish bass with bananas. So I came to a happy for Giba. Even you know how we try Tunisian tea mint SM in Morocco. Tunisia tea with fresh mint. Nice. It's raining outside.